Today we're making restaurant-style butter chicken in just 3 minutes. Tender chicken, silky tomato gravy, butter and cream. Let's get started. You'll need chicken, yogurt, tomato puree, onions, ginger garlic paste, warm spices, butter, cream, and kasuri methi for that signature flavor. Let's begin with the heart of any great butter chicken, the marinade. This is what makes the chicken incredibly tender and flavorful. In a large mixing bowl, combine thick yogurt, our primary tenderizer, with ginger garlic paste, vibrant Kashmiri red chili powder for color, turmeric, and fragrant garam masala. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and salt ties it all together. Once your marinade is smooth, add your bite-sized chicken pieces. Use your hands to ensure every single piece is thoroughly coated. Now for the most important part, patience. Marinate for at least 30 minutes, but for truly spectacular results, let it rest for 4 hours or even overnight. This allows the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat, resulting in exceptionally tender, succulent chicken. To begin, let's get our pan ready. Over medium-high heat, add a combination of oil and butter. The oil prevents the butter from burning, while the butter adds that rich, nutty flavor. Wait until it's fully melted and shimmering. That's your cue the pan is hot enough. Now carefully place your marinated chicken pieces into the hot pan. It's crucial not to overcrowd it, so work in batches if you need to. This gives the chicken space to sear properly, developing a deep golden brown crust which is absolutely key for building flavor. Once golden on both sides, remove the chicken and set it aside. Don't worry that it's not cooked through. It will finish cooking in the sauce, becoming incredibly tender. Now for the heart of our dish, the rich, creamy gravy. In the same pan, melt a generous amount of butter over medium heat, capturing the flavorful bits left from the chicken. Add your finely chopped onions. Cook them slowly, stirring until they're completely soft, and turn a beautiful golden brown. This builds a sweet, aromatic base for the sauce. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and sauté for a minute until fragrant. Then, pour in the vibrant tomato puree, stirring to combine everything. Now it's time to layer in the spices. Add ground coriander and cumin for warmth, a touch of sugar to balance the tomato's acidity, and salt to enhance all the flavors. Mix well, then let the gravy simmer on low. You're looking for it to thicken into a luscious, glossy sauce where the oil begins to separate at the edges. This is the sign it's perfectly cooked. For silky texture, blend the sauce, then return to the pan. Add the seared chicken and simmer gently until cooked through. Lower the heat, stir in cream and a knob of butter. Crush kasuri methi between your palms and sprinkle in. That's the secret touch of butter chicken. Serve hot with naan or rice. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a swirl of cream. Look at that rich, creamy texture. And there you have it. Authentic, creamy butter chicken at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes.